Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to teach you how we can get free US number for WhatsApp verification. Now, these US number are free and only meant for US verification only. So if you know you're new to this channel, kindly hit up the subscribe button, turn on the notification. So here are list of websites you can get free US number from. So I'm going to drop the link in the description of this video, so you can also get a free US number from them for verification, either WhatsApp or any phone or any online form registration. So our first website on this list is freeonlinephone.org, freeonlinephonenumber.org. I'm also dropping this link in the description of this video. As you can see, this number has received over 4,000 message. That is 4,900 message. As of this morning that I checked this website, it was almost 4,800, but now as you can see, it has received over 4,900. So this is how it works. You just use one number you list below. Let's say that I want to use this one number now for my WhatsApp verification. So I'm just to click this. You click on read message. So you will scroll down a little bit. As you can see, 10 minutes ago this one received a verification, 8 minutes ago, 4 minutes ago. You can also copy this number. You copy this number and go for a WhatsApp verification or other verification you want to use, then and send. You will receive an SMS, then you can use the SMS to verify your phone number. And you can also check on other number if you are willing to use. This one have 1,000. So you either use anyone, but notice this number are temporary, not for long. Maybe tomorrow you may come back and may not see this number again. The number have already been disappeared. So our second website on this list is Receive SMS Online. These are also US number provided by this website. You can receive verification code. So if you are willing to receive, this one is Canada number, Canada. All are US numbers. So you can click on read receive SMS here. After that, you click on read receive SMS and copy the number for verification. Then you refresh the page. So you also meant you will come and see your verification code here and copy. You can use it to verify your SMS. So I can say, as I said, this one is another website on our list is receive SMS online free.com. So as you can see, I'm going to drop every single link on this description of this video. So this also website is meant for verification. As you can see, they said the number are temporary or not permanent. So you will scroll down a little bit, you will see number you will use to let me say that I'm going to use United States temporary. So you can also subscribe to this website to receive the permanent US number on this list, but as I said on this video, are for free. So we are going to try the free one. So as you can see here, SMS received by the website. So you can also copy the number you want, then you will receive an SMS from it and use for your online verification. You copy this number, you will receive an SMS and come here, scroll down this page again, you will see your code and copy it for your verification. So our another website on this list is receivesmsfree.cc. As you can see, this website is even more than the other one I'm showing you. This one have over 30 number with over 200 and over 5,000 SMS received from this website. So if you are willing to receive your SMS from US, you click on receive SMS from US and copy the number you want to receive SMS from. Then wait, your SMS will be verified. So let me check from this one, receive SMS for this number, phone number. So you copy this number and scroll down. After you have copied this number and you click on the phone number, then you click on here, update SMS. So you will come here and you will receive your SMS, then you use it for whatever you want to use it for, either WhatsApp verification or any other verification. So our last but not the least website is freesms.co. So whenever you come to this page, this website have about 4 different countries with 11 different numbers from each countries. So from US you have 5 number from Canada you have 5 number, and from United Kingdom you have 2 number, and the last country you have 4 numbers. So you can click on the country number you are willing to receive SMS from. Let me say US. Then you click on the phone number you want to read the SMS. Copy the phone number for your verification and come to read SMS and refresh the page. You will see your SMS here. As you can see, this is about 12 seconds ago. So if you know you are new to this channel, kindly hit up the subscribe button, turn on the notification, like, comment and share.